So, full disclosure, today was supposed to be the day I built the sentence builder project on freeCodeCamp. But I opened up the lesson, looked at it, and just felt this wave of boredom. It felt exactly the same like the greeting bot and the trivia bot I just finished. I realized if I make a video on it, you guys would be bored out of your minds. And honestly, so would I. So I skipped making that video, but don't get me wrong, I still did do the coding lesson. The lesson that came after absolutely terrified me when I first read it, which is this. Tell me that doesn't sound like a complex, soul-crushing math equation. I'm sitting here at my desk looking at these words, feeling like a total imposter. I thought, yep, this is it. This is where my brain fries and the coding journey ends. But I forced myself to read through it, and the first monster freeCodeCamp threw at me was Dynamically Typed Languages. Literally, what does that even mean? It sounds like you need a physics degree. But as I stared at the screen, trying to decode the jargon, it finally clicked. And it's actually incredibly convenient. Basically, it means you don't have to tell the browser what kind of data a variable is. You don't have to yell, "Hey, this is text," or "Hey, this is a number." Now, if you're a beginner like me, you might be wondering, wait, if you don't tell the browser what type of data it is, how the hell does it know what it's dealing with? It figures it out on the fly, purely based on what the variable is equal to at that exact moment, which means you can change your mind later. You can change a variable from words to numbers without the system throwing a tantrum. It's flexible, it's easygoing, it's JavaScript. If dynamically typed is a chill, flexible friend, statically typed is a strict, micromanaging boss who expects you to fill out paperwork in triplicate. With these languages, you have to declare both the variable and the exact data type upfront. If I want to use a number, I have to explicitly code "this is a number" and it will only ever be a number. Would I ever choose to use a language like this willingly? Hell no. To me, it just feels like dabbling my work for no reason. And it gets worse. Once you tell a statically typed language that a variable is a number, you are locked in. You can never assign it a text value later. If you try, the whole system breaks down. It's crazy strict. And honestly, it sounds incredibly annoying to deal with when you're just trying to make things work. But sitting here today, looking back at how scared I was when I started this lesson, I feel this massive wave of relief. I went into this terrified of the jargon, and I came out actually understanding a core architectural concept of programming. And for the first time in my entire journey, I actually feel grateful for JavaScript. I never thought I'd see the day where I'm thanking JavaScript for being flexible. But here we are. So, let's settle this in the comments. Are you team flexible and chill, or do you actually prefer the strict rules of a static language? Drop a comment below and let me know, because I am firmly team dynamic. If you're enjoying watching me battle these scary coding concepts and live to tell the tale, smash the like button and subscribe to follow the rest of my coding journey. Bye!